My name is Pramod. I am studying third standard in Government Higher Primary School, Makanahalli. This is a board. This is a LCD display. This is a soil moisture sensor. This is a jumper wires. This is a relay signal. This is a battery. This is a dry soil. This is a wet soil. When I fix the jumper wires, LCD display board. GHPS $33. When I put wet soil, $85.